Let's learn how to convert 25 milligrams to grams. We'll break this down step by step to make it easy to understand. First, let's visualize the relationship between milligrams and grams on a scale. 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. This is our conversion factor. Let's use dimensional analysis to solve this problem. We'll start with 25 milligrams and multiply it by our conversion factor. We'll write the conversion factor as a fraction, 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams. This way, the milligrams will cancel out, leaving us with grams. Now let's solve this step by step. 25 divided by 1,000 equals 0.025. Therefore, 25 milligrams equals 0.025 grams. Here's another way to think about it. When converting from milligrams to grams, we're moving from a smaller unit to a larger unit. Since 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams, we need to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Let's put this in perspective with a real-world example. Many medications list their doses in milligrams. If a medication tablet contains 25 milligrams of active ingredient, that's just 0.025 grams, or about the weight of a single grain of salt. To summarize, to convert milligrams to grams, divide by 1,000, or move the decimal point 3 places to the left. 25 milligrams equals 0.025 grams.